right, so I'm going to talk about the next feature, which is product bundles. You'll notice that this product here is also available in a bundle. Now, unfortunately, the bundle is not automatically listed here. That capability is unfortunately outside of the limitations of the plugin. So what I did, which I'll show you later, is I just added a short little snippet inside of the short description. It is, however, added at the bottom. So I'm going to go to the bundle. Now on the bundle page, it does automatically add the individual resources. You do not have to update the bundle separately. It works a lot like the TPT store if you're using Teachers Pay Teachers. Basically, you go in and just select which product should be included in the bundle, give it a price, and you're good to go. When someone buys this, they automatically get access to each of these individual resources. Now the bundling tool is not free. It's $50 a year. But I do highly recommend this one. I have not found one that is not a subscription model that works as well as this one does.